Hi everyone, I'm Miko and today I will be doing my first cooking video and we're going to be doing orange chicken. I've been to the US 3 times and every time was something that I really like eating that we don't really find in Europe. So I think this is a good opportunity and we will do it at home. Let's get to the ingredients. First of all, you will need chicken. You can use chicken breast or chicken thighs. It's up to you. Personally, I prefer chicken breast, so today we're gonna be using this. Then you will need rice. Rice-wise, I really like sticky Thai rice, so that will be my favorite for today. But you can use any kind of rice you prefer, being basmati or sushi rice. Does not matter that much, it's up to your preference. You will need an orange, some rice vinegar and soy sauce, as well as orange juice for the sauce. Cornstarch will be very important as we will deep fry the chicken. And you will need some sesame. I have black and white sesame here. Any is fine or both for dressing. And today, especially for this try, I will actually add cashew nuts to the sauce because I really like them and I think they would fit really good in this dish. So first things first, I'm gonna make the rice because it's gonna take a while to cook. We are cooking the rice while we are preparing the other ingredients. And so I will add 1 cup of rice per person. And now we are going to add the water and wash the rice, which is a very important step to get the starch out. Some salt and into the rice cooker. So now we're gonna actually pass by cutting the chicken. And you want to cut it in really small pieces because we're going to coat it with cornstarch and make popcorn chicken. Like you want it bite size. And I remove the little fat of the chicken breast that I'm not super fond with. Now I'm gonna add some cornstarch to the chicken so it keeps really juicy when we fry it. I want to coat it very evenly to give that really nice crisp once it's fried. And now for the sauce, we are going to weight each ingredient. We need rice vinegar. I bought 30 milliliter. Orange juice. I took a 250 milliliter bottle, so I'm gonna just drop it all in here. We need soy sauce, the same amount as rice vinegar. We need sugar. Brown sugar is a lot better. As you can see, there's a lot of sugar in that recipe. Perfect. And I will add some garlic powder. It's to your taste on that one. And now we're going to put it on the stove on medium fire and let it go to a saucy consistency. And we just need to let the sauce reduce a bit. And for that I will put it on high fire. It's been on medium for a bit already. And keep spinning so the sugar does not burn at the end. This will take a while, like 5-6 minutes. So now that the sauce has been cooking for a while, it has reduced greatly and it has a much better consistency. So So we're also going to cut one orange for the decoration later. I do thin slices. And now we are going to fry the chicken, which I'm going to display in the fryer, kind of spaced out because we don't want them to stick to each other. And it's going to take about like 2-3 minutes because the pieces are really small. So I will lay some paper here to get some of the oil out. And chicken looks good. And take it out. It's good and crispy. So now we're gonna switch to plating. And now we will be plating. The rice is cooked. It's sticky rice, my favorite. We'll take 2 nice spoons. And we will take some of the chicken and mix it in the sauce. I do it like usually not everything at once because it's a lot of chicken. We mix it with sauce. It's really nice. And I would put it next to the rice. After this, I would usually top it with a few cashew, sesame, the black sesame, and we have the leftover from the orange. I'm going to zest a bit of the orange on the chicken to add some flavor. Then I will take 2 slices and drop them on the side. Just like this. Which makes for a really nice orange chicken. Now that we're done, it's your turn to eat.